Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add countdown timer to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description on link and click on it. When you will go do it, you will see on this Placeit website. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is countdown timer. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's like up to you. And when you got it, let's click login. Now here in applications, you just want to write in search countdown. And you're gonna see it here, countdown timer or number counter. Is like really up to which one you want. But I recommend going with a countdown timer. Let's create a widget. And now we have option to choose like normal countdown, urgency, Black Friday sale. We would add this to header. Even start countdown, limited shipping. Like I really like the countdown timer here. Let's continue with the template. Now you have start to finish timer, remaining time counter per visitor, or start to finish, right? We can go like remaining time period, and we can go okay, minutes, 10 minutes. Nice. Message before make a purchase before the time is out and get a free delivery. Okay. Button link where it's going to get you. It can be like to your shop. Style, again you can change it, and advanced. So you can literally like edit everything here. Now let's click save. When I'm going to do it, I'm going to appear a plan. You need to choose between 4 plans or all packs. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise version. So let's copy the code here. And now just simply click plus and add a spacer. Now let's go here. Add a spacer and just click code and paste the code here. And we are going to wait, and voila, here we got a perfect countdown timer on our website in 3dcart. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. Have a great day and goodbye.